Okay guys, I'm back, and today we do not have a shoe review. We have a iPad Pro. Yes, we have an iPad Pro. And here is the case. It's called a smart cover. Okay, so this is a lot bigger than this iPad 2. Here's iPad 2. I'll do a size comparison when I get it out of the box. This is a 32 gigabyte, and this retailed for $800, so it's pretty expensive. But when you think of the iPad 2, what I just showed you, that was $500, and this is a lot bigger. It can do a lot more things. So when you look at what it can do, it's really not that bad of a price. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I believe that the biggest gigabyte size you could get was 256 megabytes, and this is the smallest size that you can get. Oh my gosh. It's hard to get out. This is huge. This is ginormous. I don't know the size on this, but yeah, it's really big. Okay. Here's the charger. Oh wow, this is a really big charger too. I'll measure that and tell you how long it is. Okay, so I think that's all. Yep, that's all with the box. Here, so now let's get into the case. Great case. I'll put that on later. Okay, so here is the size difference. Wow, that's crazy. This is the iPad 2, and then this is the iPad Pro. From right away, you can tell this one has one speaker, and this has 4 speakers. One right there, there, right there. That's crazy. And it has the lightning charger port, and it has the fingerprint. So I measured this charger, and it is a 6-foot charger, so that is pretty helpful if you're far away from a outlet and you need a charger device. Okay, so I put the case on, and it is just humongous. It has Siri. It has the fingerprint. It's right away you can tell it's very fast. Like, there's no delay. Like in this iPad 2, it's kind of delayed. Don't ask me why I have that on there. I haven't changed that in like 5 years. Okay, so I'll show you some of the features that this has. So if you open it up, maybe you're on Safari, you want to check something real quick, and then you can FaceTime someone, you can text someone, you can read some of your mail, you can go on YouTube. So that's just another feature that they have. It is very big, it's very thin. Surprisingly, it's lighter. It's lighter than the iPad 2, and this is it's just very thick. This is very thin. It comes with iMovie, and it comes with GarageBand. It comes with a lot of other apps that you would have to usually purchase if it was iPhone or something. Here, I'll do the speakers. So this is about 25%. I don't know if you can hear that. It's kind of quiet. here's about 50%, and here is 75%, and here's 100%. So the speakers do sound very good, and I guess that's all for the iPad Pro review. I would rate this product a 9.5. I really do like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, tell us what we should do next, and peace.